Hello everyone, welcome to the Institute of Bureaucracy, where your journey to become a top tier civil servant begins. Are you ready to crack UPSC or TNPSC exams and make a real difference? You are in the right place. At the Institute of Bureaucracy, we pride ourselves on offering more than just coaching. We provide a complete learning experience. Our seasoned faculty, who are experts in their fields, bring their wealth of knowledge and practical insights to every classes. With interactive courses designed to engage and challenge you, we ensure that learning is never boring. But that's not all. We understand the importance of supportive community. That's why we built a network where you connect with fellow aspirants, share resources and motivate each other. Our success stories speak for themselves, with many of our students now serving as successful bureaucrats making an impact across nation. Join us at the Institute of Bureaucracy and take first step towards your dream career. Together, let's unlock your potential and shape the future of our nation. Are you ready to make it happen? Let's get started.